Hey guys, Tony here from Rolling the Bullets. So today we're going to be installing an on-the-go portable water softener system for RVs and marine. So we're going to take a little unboxing here, see what the kit entails, and we're going to be installing it on one of my neighbor's campers and see just how good this thing really works. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what we got. Alright, so with this kit here, you get a little extra piece of hose. You do get a water pressure regulator. Of course, you get your actual filter system here. You get some nice little iron out. And you get you some hard water testing strips to kind of see what kind of crap you got in your water. So now that we've unpacked it and everything looks like it's here, we're going to go ahead and start installing this. So we're going to be installing this water system in a Class A motorhome. Okay, this is a pretty simple system to hook up. First off, you want to hook up to your freshwater line coming out of your water source. Hook it directly into one side of the filter. Then you also have a secondary fitting here. This here is the side that runs to your actual RV. But before you actually put this inside your RV, you want to go ahead and pre-rinse this thing inside to get all the contaminants out of the filter system that's in here. You hold on to that and go ahead. I'm going to turn it on here and we'll show you guys what we're talking about. See all that nastiness right there? Yeah, we don't really want to be drinking any of that good gut Texas Gold coffee, whatever you want to call it. The instructions say to go ahead and bleed that filter system out for at least 3 minutes to get all the contaminants out. So installation of this unit is very simple. Literally about a 5-minute process. Hook one fresh line in from your water source to the filter, the other line straight to your RV. Okay, so the cups here are going to represent the before and after. The red cup is the water before filter. The bluish green cup here is going to be the fresh water after it comes to the filter. So as you guys can see by looking at the water, not much difference in the water, but I'm sure there's going to be a hell of a taste difference. So you want to put these strips in here to test your water for at least 3 seconds. Now we've already done the red cup, the bad cup, and there's about 425 parts per million of contaminant. And now, as you guys can see, we are, where are we at now?
Looks like we're between 0 and 40.
0 and 40. So yeah, significant difference between that. And I'm sure as the filters some more water through, it's going to get better. Okay, so you guys can see there's a very simple installation, very reasonable price point for this little system to kind of get some better tasting water in your RV. This unit was on sale at Camping World, even though it came from Camping World. Not a fan of Camping World. I've been very upfront about that from day one since I started these videos. But it was $190, and it came with a complete kit except for the extra bunch of hose that come with it. You only get that one little small piece of hose. But if you're a full-time RV or even a weekender, you've already probably have a pretty substantial amount of hose for when you go camping. So you really just need one to actually go to your water source, to the filter system, then to your RV. So guys, I hope this helps. I'll be monitoring with a neighbor here as he's bought the system before I have, and once we actually go purchase ours, we'll hook it to our RV, and I'll show you how I'm going to mount ours inside. They want to go ahead and keep theirs pretty much portable so they can pull theirs in and out and move it around the way they want to. Ours will probably mount it to the bay. That way ours is out from the outdoors and out from the elements. So we'll keep you guys updated once we have ours and let you know how the water starts doing after a few weeks. We'll talk to you guys soon. Be safe out there.